Hi, in this video, I will walk you through how to create a clear and effective knowledge base article using a simple step-by-step approach. Whether you are working in IT support, training, or documentation, my goal is to help you find answers quickly and complete tasks with confidence. What is a knowledge base article? A knowledge base article is a structured document designed to help users solve a specific problem. It provides clear step-by-step instructions so users can complete tasks on their own. A well-written knowledge base article reduces confusion and minimizes the need for support. Poor versus a strong knowledge base article. Let's compare a poorly written knowledge base article with a strong one. A poor article is often unclear, difficult to read, and missing key steps. This creates confusion and increases support requests. In contrast, a strong knowledge-based article uses clear titles, structured steps, and simple language. It allows users to quickly find information and complete tasks with confidence. How to structure a knowledge-based article? A well-structured knowledge-based article follows a clear and consistent format. It begins with a specific title, followed by a brief description of the issue or task. Next, the article provides step-by-step instructions that are easy to follow. Finally, a short summary or expected outcome helps confirm that the task was completed successfully. In summary, an effective knowledge base article should be clear, structured, and easy to follow. Focus on the user's needs, use simple language, and present information step by step. When done well, knowledge base articles improve efficiency and reduce support requests.